I'm so excited. Thanks for coming and watching this video. If you're here, you want to know how to lighten your hair with a minimal amount of damage. I've done some research. I've consulted with stylists, and I feel like I found something, a process that I like and I'm comfortable with. So that's going to be in this video. This is among my first of many videos. So if you like this, guys, subscribe, like the video. Oh, I shook my neck like I was threatening y'all, but I'm really not. I'm really not. I just want you to come back and for us to be friends. Like, I'm presenting myself looking like this, so our trust and our equal admiration should be peak, okay? Because the rest of my videos, I will not look like this. And I know some of you are like, your first video, you look like this. Okay, this is not something I will keep up. I won't be like, you know, them girls that be coming in doing their hair and their faces already beat, but it's okay. Like, you know, Maya different, and that's why you're here. So next I will show you all the products that you'll need. All right. So what you're looking at now is all the products that I use to create this look and reduce the damage. Here is my deep conditioner that helps to replenish my hair, and another dose of conditioner, but this is leave-in that helps to replenish my hair. These are the Cream of Nature Ginger, Blonde Ginger, the rubber bands that I use to section my hair off. I use this oil to lubricate the rubber bands for minimal damage, and I also use it in my hair. And you won't see me using this in the video, but you need a spray leave-in conditioner for the days to come. And I'm doing this because I feel like this is how I'll get the most even application. I'm using a wide tooth comb without the sharp ends because I do not want to scratch my scalp during this process to avoid any type of irritation, bumps, lumps, any of that. I'm not with it this time around, or the other time. So I'll take this and I'll just section the half of my hair off to make sure, see, it's even. And I just found that one of my sides, oh Lord, let me get back here with the comb. Yes, even. So I'm gonna separate these bad boys up with my biggest rubber bands. And then from there, my next step. Oh, dang it, I did. What is this? What is that? Y'all, there we go. So now those are sectioned off like so. So now what I'm going to do is divide each section into fours to make for even distribution. So I'll take the first quadrant here. Ow. That out the way, and I'm going to comb this forward. Use my comb to move this. Now that this is combed forward, I am going to try to get it in the middle as much as possible, and by middle I mean equal amount of down here and up here, like in the middle of my section. And that is just for even color distribution. So I will come back when I am done my 4 sections. See you soon. Hey, so this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. I tried to get the parts as even as possible from side to side, but I know I probably didn't know it myself. I had a change of heart. I was gonna just do simply ombre, but knowing that I have 2 boxes, I will show you guys, it's the same method, however, how to get the scalp too. So let's get the mixing and get it whooping. Okay, let's get mixing. So
we're gonna start the process here. There is the developer. I'm reading directions because I'm a good noodle. Now you see me adding in the powder lightener, and I'm struggling, and it's good. I have now put it in. So then shake it up, shake it real good. Yep, shake, shake, shake. It is shake, shake, shake. Shake it. Now you see me adding in the ginger color, basically. I think that basically was, yeah. Shake it. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to do an S method, which is just trying to do just multiple S's going straight down. Then I follow back with a straight streak. And I massage it throughout the hair, especially paying attention to the thicker parts. What I like to do is squeeze to disperse the product, and I also do a sliding method to further disperse it. Although it looks like I'm putting a lot on, I was actually being sparing because I like to build my product. I don't like to go gung-ho straight in. And that's just one of my protective measurements to minimize damage. Now that they're all coated, you'll see me go over them a second time. I was kind of having trouble and the lid got clogged, so I decided to just pour some of the product in my hand and work it and massage it through. As you can see, the whiter it is, the more product is on, of course. So I was trying to just have a noticeable amount of product on, and that's when I felt satisfied. But as you see, I built up to that. I didn't go in and put a whole bunch on at once.
So now what I'm doing is I'm gonna come and take the rubber band off of the section. I'm gonna now go where my roots are and color it like so. Now I'm bringing it back through, rub, rub, rub. And the reason I did my roots last is because it's closer to your scalp, so the heat is going to penetrate it differently. And then just rub it in, and I go right where my part is going to be, and just rub it down. And once it's evenly saturated, in my opinion, I will move on and continue this process for the rest of my hair. Careful to try to get my little baby hairs. So again, I'm taking the rubber band off.
Now what you're watching is me doing the exact same process with the other bottle from the other box.
I hope you can hear me. So, for the washing process, I used a little bit of water and got it to a lather. After that, I used a neutralizing shampoo to make sure all the chemical processing has stopped. Following that, I used herbal essence Hello Moisture in order to introduce moisture back into my hair. After I rinsed that out, I followed up with the intensive conditioning packet, this one, that was in there. I left that in for 5 minutes. I rinsed that out and put in the white packet that I showed you earlier, the extreme conditioning, because I want to repair anything that is on its way to being damaged before it starts. If I weren't to do this, the days after, I would experience dryness, and with the dryness comes breakage. I want to make sure that my hair is malleable, that it's flexible, that it has elasticity. So I put that in, and now I will sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes to make sure it completely penetrates the hair shaft. Then I'm going to rinse it with cool water. And here it is! Oh my gosh! My whole intentions was for this to come out blonder, but it seems that only my hairline did, and that's fine. Like, I am a unique person. I will make this work, and I'm glad I still have a little bit of dark baby hairs for when I lay it. It won't be too crazy. So right now, okay, so it did. Some of it did come out lighter like I wanted, but I kind of wanted like this to be like super blonde and then the back to be ginger, but it all mostly came out ginger except for the very front. So let me fix the camera. Now what I'm going to do is a twist out so I can not look crazy. I might have another video where I cut off these straight ends because it's about to be a new year for Maya, my 23rd birthday, and I do not want any dead ends, period poo, in life or my hair. So guys, that's how I did it. If you have any questions about anything that I might have left out or anything, but I can tell you guys my hair feels like butter. It's not dry, it's just amazing. Oh, what I didn't tell you guys is I did end up following up with the with that leave-in conditioner. There's a lot in there, and that's what our hair needs. So don't feel like, oh, I'm gonna save some, I'm gonna roll it up and save it for later. No, use it all now, lifetime. So I'm gonna go and twist my hair, and I'll show you guys the final look basically. All right.